This is a 24-foot long tiny house on wheels with a rooftop deck that's built right into the roof line, which is a great way to create an outdoor space that moves with the house, especially for someone who doesn't have room to build a deck where they're going to be parked.
So welcome to our rooftop patio. We got a little bistro set up here for our guests to stay in. This is about 100 square feet, well, more like 85, but of just a nice place to hang out and take in nature. Our railings, just like inside, are glass, just leaves a lot of openness. We can also see here our solar panels, and we put a wind turbine in just to collect some more energy when the sun's not shining. Great. So one of the hardest things about creating this rooftop patio was making it waterproof. If we just had a flat deck, it would be easy, but we've got this hole to get into the door. And so this whole thing had to be waterproof even when the door is closed. So I used to not like this product, but we were working on a really high-end house in Oakville, and it had Duradek on the deck, and it was 30 years old, and it needed a little bit of cleaning, but once it was cleaned, it looked like the day it was put in. And I thought, you know what? If it's still working, I can use it. And so it's worked out awesome here, and it's perfectly waterproof, and it looks pretty cool.